Hi friends, how to know fake note in guessing. This is see this government was 11 features available in fake note identification. This is one by one. I will select it. This is one. Say through register watermark 2 this area. See this one by one. I will show this images. This is the first one. See through register this is called. Second one watermark identify Gandhi is watermark. See this 2 that's why 3 opportunity valuable ink అనేది కొంచెం కలర్ అనేది కరెక్ట్గా ఉండాలి, అది కూడా చూసుకోమంటున్నాడు. నంబర్ అనేది అంటే ఎన్ని అంకెలు ఉండాలి ఏందనేది ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. మనం ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ 3 లెటర్స్ ఉండాలి, తర్వాత 6 లెటర్స్ ఉండాలి గ్యాప్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత. లైక్ దిస్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ ఐడెంటిఫై దిస్ security thread. This line is very RBI and SBI include this banner. See this. This is important printing. And 6th this letter. 7th one is latent image లో 500 అనేసి ఇన్బుల్డ్గా లైన్స్ లోనే ఇన్బుల్డ్గా సెట్ దిస్ 500 నెంబర్. వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్లీ అండ్ see this image, not see this is a micro letting 8 but this Gandhi head, edge and hair, this is as by 500 be viewed with help these letters. This is identification. This is the year of printing. Like this is 2009 but 2005 year and other before 2005 year not printed. Like this, not a fake, originals. See this. This starting is a first number is 1 is the 500 each. This is a reverse 12 is reverse. This 9th identification mark. This mark is very compulsory. Identification mark as 2 marks. Set. I will see 3 marks. Identification marks is anyone is display the marks, but one. See friends, I will show the word. See friends, this is very popular 11 features in fake note identification and original note, but 11th point is very important. This is not included. I will explain this series. This Revenue State Bank are like this. Bottom are this mouse is content RBI. This is most important, and watermark in RBI symbol is very highlight and very lighting on display, but not see in view like this. Gandhi very default light think in RBI is letters, only 3 letters in complete this note up and down. This is only 3 letters. See this and comment on this video, please.